using the serialize feature on the PT-E550W. It's very simple. First, you need to select some information. For this example, I'll use A101. We can go ahead and enter any kind of information as long as there is a number there. We can go ahead and serialize that. What we'll do after we have our text or our numbers entered into the machine is select the serialize button. Now, using the left and right arrow keys, we can move over to under the area where we want to start our serialization. So I move the cursor underneath the 0 for this example. I'll select OK. That's the first range that I want to serialize. I'll move the arrow over to the right and select the 1. That's the next area or range that I want to serialize, and I'll select OK. Now the machine is asking me how many labels do I want. That is the count. You can hold the button down and it moves in increments of 5, or you can press the button slowly and it moves it just in single increments. Asks what kind of increments do we actually want to print our label in or create a label for. We can do it, if we do it in 2s, it'll be A101, A103, A105, and so forth. We're just going to leave that at 1 for this example, and it creates the label for us. I'll go ahead and print just a few labels to show you an example of what that looks like in a range. Instead of doing 38 labels, I will just go ahead and print 3. Here we have our serialized labels.